Those who live today remember those who do not. Those who know freedom remember today those who gave up life for freedom.
Your service will never be forgotten.
My name is Jacob Thomas, and my lab is Homeland Security. I chose to enlist because there's nothing more patriotic than serving your country and being an American soldier.
I'm Abby Evans. I'm enlisted in the Army Reserve for practical nursing. I ship out for basic training on June 2nd of 2025 to Oklahoma, Fort Sill.
My name is Willow Faulkner. I am in the MedTech lab, and I joined the Marines.
My name is Billy Prince, and my lab is Homeland Security. Why did I enlist? To become a U.S. Marine, because it's always been a dream since I was a little kid. And yeah, I enlisted into the Marines.
So my name is Victor Ulloa. My lab is IT support, and I have been listening to the Marines.
I'm Austin Good. I'm in MedTech, and I joined the Navy because all my family did before me.
We see these soldiers in our mind as old and wise. We see them as something like the founding fathers, grave and gray-haired. But most of them were boys when they died, and they gave up two lives, the one they were living and the one they would have lived.
We thank you for your bravery. Thank you for our freedom. Let us never forget.
Today, on Veterans Day, we honor those who honored our country with its highest form of service. You who once wore the uniform of our Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, or Coast Guard.
Someone that is brave and strong and is serving our country.
Somebody that protects our country and cares about other people's rights, and they go overseas, leave their families to protect it and keep those rights for us.
Someone who sacrifices their time and efforts.
A veteran means to me to be a hero that serves for our country.
A veteran to me is someone who puts their life on the line to protect us.
Who fought for our country and made our country free.
Someone who served and fought for our country. I would describe a veteran in one word as brave.
Worked hard, fought hard, and went into service for our very own country.
We celebrate this Veterans Day for a very few minutes, a few seconds of silence, and then this country's life goes on. But I think it most appropriate that we recall on this occasion and on every other moment when we are faced with great responsibilities, the contribution and the sacrifice which so many men and their families have made.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
My name is Tina Parr, and I'm a teacher at Pioneer Career and Technology Center. My son Ammon graduated from Pioneer in the Criminal Justice Program, and he is a Marine. He's currently deployed in Jordan, and his dad and I are super proud of him. We want to thank all those who serve to protect us and our freedoms and this great country that we live in. Thank you.
Thank you for your hard work. Thank you, veterans, for your service.
Thank you for our freedom.
We honor your sacrifice.
We salute you.
I've had multiple relatives that are veterans, and so I want to thank all of you for your service.